Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and I am a casino dealer here in Boracay. So I just want to give you a quick update. So it's our 1 month now as a dealer. So graduate na po kami, and then after we graduated, we had an awesome time with my classmate and our mentor. So we celebrated, and then ngayon mag-start na po kami sa simulation sa taas. We're not allowed to take videos and pictures, so just gonna have a quick review of what we've done. So yung upgrade ko po is I can deal now properly, and then I can calculate accurately. So I'm so proud of myself on doing great, and my mentors can also see my progress. Alright, so natapos na kami sa shoot namin. I got my ID here. And my workmates here. Say hi! So, bukas ulit. Monday pa lang ngayon. Meron pa kaming 4 days para magpahinga. And I'll see you again tomorrow.